converted into 4 different rooms. So what you see right now is the living area set up. And we have the center table that can be transformed into 6-seater dining.
See, she's not even one finger. Nice.
And this is also movable. This is actually our best seller.
Wow, it is some casters, sort of. But it isn't, when it's not stable. Someone goes moving too much. No. Okay, I leave it now because I want to ask her again questions.
Then our kitchen set.
This is the most amazing for me.
You just have to pull this out.
And then what happens? There's exhaust? No. None. You just have to fan. One manually fan. And then this is the table.
You have your working table for kitchen. At the same time, this can also serve as your
Dining table as well.
Yeah. For the
Is this one all hooked up for outlets?
we
No.
will provide the permission for that.
You will provide for outlets.
Even for the induction and for the
And does this come with a unit or you need to buy your own?
what?
The oven.
You just have to buy it.
This one, yeah.
Separate.
How about this? Does this come with a unit? Just asking. I just want to make it clear, it might be,
So thermals.
Okay, there.
What's good about this item is that it leaves no clutter in your kitchen. Then you may still use it for another function.
So you can hide all your dirty dishes and stuff, right? And don't leave it till you eat again. How about this? Does this sink come with the unit?
No, it's another accessory.
So all the accessories, you have to make sure that it will fit this size.
Yes.
Okay, you provide them on the specs.
Yes.
Nice, okay. Alright.
Another bed, queen size.
Buti na lang it's not motorized, so I won't ask you. Okay, and this is the biggest size. Again, the mattress is inclusive of the set.
Another storage for
For your, this is the pillows. Nice. Okay.
Show them that.
We also offer this memory pillow.
Yes, and we are actually raffling off this pillow. Okay,
So
nice. And
normal
then
closet and
normal closet.
another
Okay,
hidden door.
and then we still have another hidden
Gusto
bed.
mo move yung table?
Maybe somebody man can help her because she's
No,
pagod na.
kaya niya.
Because when she's done with this, she'll have to really explain her life. So I want to ask you, are you the eldest in the family? I'm going to ask you something. Okay, there. All right, and this is the easiest. It's just again a hand grab, then,
Ano bro?
and the sofa will not fit. Yes, perfect.
So there.
Voila! Wow! I think we really now should applaud and parang see the wonders of the Ergo home. Nice. And we will never know if Rufa will be married soon.